In front of me is FreeYond M6, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files that's already on your device. If you never used it before, hit Continue, select Allow, and tap on Browse at the bottom in the middle if it's not already on. Then select the Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!